Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to open and place image in Photopea. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Photopea software. Now we can see we create a new project. Now we want to open and place image. Go to the file menu. Select this open and place option. Now I am select this option. Then we can see here many image here. Now I am select the image and click open option. Wait some moment to opening the image. We can see here the image, but this image is back to this background. Now I am select the layer and drag on the front of the background. Now I am select the image, then press Ctrl T and resize this. Then press enter. Now we can see we place and open the image easily. You can open and place another image. Go to the file menu again and open another image. Now I am select this and click open. Again resize the image. Then press enter. Now we can see we open and place image in Photopea very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.